Hello! Today, I will share 5 tips for the maintenance of Phalaenopsis. Share the first one first. The Phalaenopsis that we showed were all dying. It's just not in good condition. Maybe there are still some deposits in the neck and root. Leave Phalaenopsis. First, peel off all the plant material. Take a look at the root. Clean up all the unhealthy parts. So the progressive incision with wax. Scoop 2 spoonfuls of cinnamon powder. Add boiling water. Ice water cooling. Filter it after cooling. Then soak the Phalaenopsis in this water for half an hour. The remaining water is used to spray Phalaenopsis. After soaking, plant it. Use pine bark here. Then make him a cover out of a big plastic bottle. Moisturizing. Take a look, and after 2 or 3 weeks, he got a little bit longer. About a few months later, what about this tooth? It's grown up. Basically, this one survives. The first little trick is shared here. So here's trick number 2. The leaves of this Phalaenopsis are also all dry and yellow. Most of the root system is not very good, but what does the backbone look like? A little bit of life. Now to put it, clean up the unhealthy part. You can see that his progress is still green, still a little bit alive. Rinse it off with water. Dry off moisture. Sew this wound with wax. Prepare a garlic. Take a few garlic cloves and chop them up. Add water and cover for 24 hours. Strain the garlic water. Soak this Phalaenopsis in garlic water. Pour this garlic water into a watering can. For spraying Phalaenopsis, take out the Phalaenopsis after soaking. Dry the moisture off it. Then plant it in the petals. Put it in the light, where there is no direct sunlight. Keep it for a week. After a week, you coat it with water moss. Then pour the first water. And use a plastic bottle to make a cover for it. Punch a few small holes in it. Air circulation. weeks later, he's got a tooth. It seems to be growing on the root below him. Is it a tooth or a root? We soak ginger in water. Take a few spoonfuls of this ginger water and pour it into the container. Add water. Use this ginger water to pour once every 10 days. Keep it in a position with bright scattered light for maintenance. Take a look over a month later. It's growing well. The entire root system is still relatively strong. Next, share the Q3. Still the same steps. Clean up the bad parts first. There is only one healthy root left in this nursing column. The neck is also a little atrophied. Rinse off with water. Suck up the water. Seal the incision with wax. Take a spoonful of cinnamon powder. Add a liter of boiling water. Filtration after cooling. Soak the Phalaenopsis in this water. The remaining water is poured into the watering can. For spraying Phalaenopsis, soak Phalaenopsis for 20 to 30 minutes. Planted for everyone. Prepare a tray. Add water to the tray. Also make a cover out of a plastic bottle. Take a look. After a month, 2 new roots seem to have grown. It has a little tooth. You can absorb some organic granular fertilizer. Look how much you've grown after 3 months. And here's trick number 4. Most of the leaves of this Phalaenopsis are yellow, the remaining 2 leaves. Actually, there is a problem, because it is a little yellowish. Also simply take it off. Some root systems adhere more tightly to the wood. We're not going to cut the wood. To avoid damage to the roots, trim off unhealthy roots. Scoop a spoonful of baking soda and add water. Soak the whole Phalaenopsis in this water. Soak for 20 to 30 minutes and take out. Start planting after drying. Then you sew his wounds with wax. You can also seal it with cinnamon powder topically. You can grow it in a plastic bottle with a bottom hole. After a week of storage, we can consider watering everyone for the first time. Let's take a section of aloe vera liquid. Blend aloe vera juice with water. Then filter this water. Use this water to water this Phalaenopsis. Take a look at one of his growth changes. He's got a new shoot here. Lay another layer of wet water table on the basin surface. Take a look, and after 3 months, he had grown a lot. The root system is also healthier. One last coup. First, clean up this Phalaenopsis. Take some aloe vera leaves and a few cloves of garlic. Throw the garlic and aloe leaves into the blender. Strain this squeezed juice. And then you make a planter out of a bottle. Plant this Phalaenopsis in it. You can see that he has some new roots growing. You can see that he should be as long as possible. Give him a bright scattered light. Do not expose to the sun. The temperature should not be lower than 18 degrees. Saving Phalaenopsis requires time and patience. What about this video? Share these few tips. I hope that in the process of your maintenance of Phalaenopsis, it helps you. If you have a good idea, you are also welcome to comment in the comment area. Share this issue here. Thank you for your patience. See you in the next video.